Hi, this is a particularly quick video about density. It's an important concept in physics, and it's how we compare different materials by looking at the mass of the material per unit of its volume. It takes the amount of material out of the equation. It's just looking at the heaviness of the material itself. So how we calculate density: you can take any object and measure its mass, and then you measure its volume. You divide mass by volume, you get density. To remember that equation, you could try and learn this formula triangle. I'm not a big fan of them myself. I always start with the unit. If you learn the unit, it tells you the equation. So the unit for density is kilograms per cubic meter. Well, kilograms is a unit of mass, cubic meters is a unit of volume, so the unit is telling you this equation. Divide mass by volume. Likewise, another unit would be grams per cubic centimetre, or any other similar variation of mass and volume. Hope that was useful. Thanks for watching.